Hello everyone, my name is Jamaal Solomon and welcome to my first video blog, and I'm going to call this video blog A Good Guy's Tax Journey. Now my name is Jamaal Solomon, like I said, so in this first blog all I'm going to do is just tell you a little bit about myself and what are my goals in regards to this blog. First, who is Jamaal Solomon? Then second, why the hell do they call him Stikks? And then third, why is Stikks talking about taxes? So that's what we're going to talk about, and hopefully, you learn a little bit about myself and you subscribe to this. First, my name is Jamaal Solomon, and I'm a tax accountant. I have 2 college degrees. My last college degree is a master's in taxation, and also I have a professional license. It's called an enrolled agent license, and basically what that is that I'm able to represent any client in front of the IRS in any state tax department in the United States. And that's one of the part of what I do for a living. People come to me whether they owe 10,000, 50,000, and they say, "Hey, Jamaal, can you fix my problem?" And I try to do the best of my ability. Okay, why do they call me Stikks? I'm still trying to figure that out, but I think it's because I'm over 6 feet and 5 inches and I only weigh 160 pounds. That could be another reason. The real reason is that I'm a fraternity member. But I'm a member of Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity Incorporated. And when I was, let's say, joining, I had somebody else in my chapter named Jamaal, and he did not like our names sounding similar. So he told my line brothers to come up with another name. My line brothers always secretly called me Stikks when we met privately. So the moment that they said it publicly and told everybody what they called me as a nickname Stikks, it just spread it like wildfire, and everybody in the fraternity and Greek world refused to call me by my real name and just call me Stikks. At first, I hated that name with a passion because I felt like it was associated with a lot of fake people. Then after a while, it kind of grew on me because, nobody forgets the name Stikks. And I got brothers' wives that knew me for 15 years, don't have the slightest clue that my name is Jamaal, but they always remember that my name is Stikks. So I say, you know what? Hey, I'm trying to be an entrepreneur. I'm trying to be a business person. Why not roll with the name that, people will never forget about me? So, I'm rolling with Stikks, and we see how far it takes me. I already got my tattoo that I got about 5, 6 years ago, so I'm all in with the Stikks. Now that we got past the Stikks, why am I so passionate about teaching taxes? Um, when I did my master's degree program taxation, I learned so much complex things about taxes. It was basically all tax law and how to, you know, basically do taxes for millionaires, billionaires, big companies and stuff like that. I really didn't learn, what it was to really do taxes for small time people. And when I went job hunting and tried to get into corporate America, for whatever reason, I think I have the reason, but we're not gonna go that route in this video. I just couldn't get a job in corporate America. Probably all my classmates got into big corporations and stuff like that. And for me, I just cannot break into corporate America. And at first I was depressed about it, mad about it. But after doing a lot of searching, I probably figured out that I'm just not meant for corporate America. I'm too independent. I probably wouldn't care 2 cents about any corporation that I work for. And the interviewers probably saw that. So, I felt like, hey, I just got to do me. So I created my own corporation, JS Tax Corporation, which, I do tax preparation. I do consultancy. As you know, I represent people in front of the IRS. And I learned that there's so much miscommunication that's going on in our communities, because sometimes when people go and talk to your church or your group about taxes, all they really trying to do is just trying to sell you a dream or trying to tell you why they smart or why you should go to their company. Man, I really don't care about that. I'm a strong believer. If you like me, you're going to do business with me. If not, it is what it is. You're going to go to whoever you want to go to. But at the end of the day, I promise myself that anytime I do a talk, you're going to learn something. I'm going to give you blunt information about taxes that you're going to need. I'm not gonna try to, I'm not gonna sugarcoat. I'm not gonna try to make myself seem smart or anything like that. I just want to get you honest tax advice because I see so much people with miscommunication and they owe the IRS $10,000. I mean, I represent people that owe $500,000, and if they just knew the basics of taxes, they would not be enslaved to the IRS. Enslaved means they're going to be paying debt for the rest of their life to the IRS. So in my eyes, that's being enslaved. So my videos is not going to try to make you an expert, because if I make you an expert, you're going to come after my job and you're going to steal money from my children, which are 3 and 6 years old. I can't let you have that. So I'm not trying to expect you to be an expert. However, I'm a strong believer that every citizen should know the basics about taxes. So when you go to somebody's office like myself, I can't fool you. I can't con you. I can't get you to sign a tax return that you shouldn't be signing, and you know that the IRS is going to get you in trouble. I want you to, if you're an entrepreneur, I want you to learn what it takes to make taxes to be your advantage. Because you could do all the marketing, you could do all the social media in the world, but if you can't pay the tax man at the end of the day, if you can't make that payroll tax department, why are you getting into business? All you're going to do is get into debt with the IRS, and you're going to get out of business. So my goal is to give you blunt, honest taxes advice. And trust me, I'm going to do that. Now, like I said, this is my first one. So my first year doing these videos, I'm still trying to figure it out. It's probably going to be suspect and low quality, but I'm going to make 2 promises. One, if you just listen to the message, I guarantee you I'm going to make taxes fun and you're going to learn a lot about taxes, despite whatever video quality I'm dealing with. And number 2, I'm a strong believer in continual improvement. I make a promise to you. Yeah, this video, the quality is probably horrible, but the more that I do, I promise you that the quality will match the message, and it's going to be off the hook, and I'm going to be one of the best. Not only am I going to be one of the best, but you're going to learn, you're going to get out of taxes, you're going to say, whoa, that guy Stikks, he's authentic. He's not trying to be smart. He's authentic. He's giving me the real. And, welcome to a good guy's tax journey. Stay tuned for more. All right? Peace.